question of whether or not you should attend your foreclosure hearing, it's a difficult question to answer because the answer is going to depend upon your specific situation. But let me kind of explain it like this. Unless you've got some meaningfully changed circumstance that shows that now you're able to make the mortgage payments that you've been unable to make in the past, you attending that foreclosure hearing is not going to change a whole lot. So if you show up to that foreclosure hearing and you say, look, I've just been unable to make it, I've got good reasons why I've been unable to make it because I lost my job, right? As an example, I lost my job. Before losing my job, I was able to make the payments. I can't make them now. And I just want y'all to give me some more time because it's not my fault I lost my job. There were layoffs, and I hope to get another job soon, and so therefore don't foreclose on my house. That alone is not going to be a good enough reason for a magistrate or a courtroom official to delay the foreclosure of your house. However, if you can say, look, I lost my job, I hadn't made payments, I now have a job, and I expect to be able to get not only pay the regular mortgage payment, but get current on the delinquency, the past due amount on my mortgage within the next 60 to 90 days. From our experience, then a magistrate is much more likely to give you a continuance of the foreclosure hearing or to find a way to delay the foreclosure on your behalf. It's not uncommon for people to attend the foreclosure hearing and with good cause request a continuance of 60 days usually to have more time to try to work something out with the mortgage company. We see that all the time. If you're trying to work out a modification, something along those lines, then go to the foreclosure hearing, request a 60-day continuance. They may only give you 30 days, but in our general area, there's one county that's an exception, but generally they're going to be willing to give you a 60-day continuance to try to get something worked out. But if there's been no change circumstance, you're not trying to go through a modification, you just say, hey, I don't want to lose my house, but nothing's changed, I still can't afford the mortgage payment, it's not going to do you a whole lot of good to show up to that foreclosure hearing. But if you ever have any doubt, if you're trying to weigh one way or the other, should I stay or should I go? You should go. If you have any doubt, I would recommend going. You could go and say, look, I wasted that time, I shouldn't have gone. It's better to do that than to not go to a foreclosure hearing and then look back later and say, I really wish I would have gone to buy myself some more time or to argue my point and try to save my home. If you have more specific questions, which again, this is a very fact-sensitive scenario, you should contact an attorney that can help you through this process. And so certainly reach out to somebody that can assist you if you have more detailed and specific questions.